It is March I unto E. I fucked that up.
Elliot, honey, keep an eye out for my turn.
I'm looking.
For your tween.
My tween.
Yeah, we're making a drive video going to John Boy's in Marietta.
It's an all-you-can-eat buffet.
Is this the last buffet we're going to that's real far away, or?
Oh, I gotta have to think about that. No, another one that's kind of far that we're going to is fried tomatoes, and they're really good.
Oh, that's in Kennesaw.
Yeah, I have that scheduled for Tuesday.
Yeah, we've eaten there before.
I don't remember that I've been there with you.
Yes, we were.
Oh.
It was an unto as the pandemic was getting started.
Okay, this is not it.
Okay.
This light is not it.
Okay, thank you.
Or we could talk about politics. The mayor of Chicago was a fucking cunt. I can't remember her first name. Shelley Lightfoot? I know her last name is Lightfoot.
Uh-huh.
She lost miserably in a landslide election. The first mayor of Chicago to lose it. Oh, I keep putting my thing over the lens. She was the first incumbent mayor to lose an election.
Oh, incumbent has come in it.
Since Jane Byrne lost to Harold Washington, and Harold Washington was murdered by them making him have a heart attack. Oh, I keep forgetting to bring they killed Wellstone cards. Paul Wellstone was murdered because he was going to do an investigation by what really happened on 9/11. Let's see, who came... Yeah, some right-wing Republican piece of shit won after... because Walter Mondale actually lost to... it was some right-wing fucking
Okay, this is going to be it. And no, don't get into the right yet. Follow that car.
Follow the car. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I remember this, sure. Okay, we were here last Saturday.
Now, I don't know if her first name was Cheryl. Do you know the first name of the mayor of Chicago?
No.
Oh, there's a Publix.
I know.
Where shopping is a pleasure.
That's right. Pubics.
Now, Cheryl Lightfoot was claimed to be a progressive, but she turned out to be another corrupt, authoritarian fucking cunt. She also she had vaccine mandates in Chicago. Even in a place where a lot of shit live. That did not go over very good. A vaccine mandate, we couldn't even eat at a restaurant or go to a bar unless you had showed proof of unless you had showed proof of the clot shot. Even there, then people got sick and tired of that shit. So she pissed everyone off. The right wing, the people on the left. She pissed a lot of people on the left off. She was a fucking fraud and a bullshitter.
So they voted her out.
Yes. Yeah, I guess she was so narcissistic, I don't think she thought she was going to lose the election. I can't believe this was a Democratic mayor. The mayor of New York City turned out to be a fucking asshole for a lot of reasons. He said school shootings would be prevented if we had prayer in the school again.
It wouldn't hurt, but then I believe in God.
Yeah, but that's not their agenda. They want you to believe in their God.
There's one God.
They want you to believe in the God that hates gay people and is a homophobic prick and everything like that.
No, the real God
Religion
does not hate gay people.
Religion does not belong in the schools. How would you feel if people were forced to study the Quran in public schools?
wouldn't care.
There's thousands of different religions. So if people want to worship Satan, that should then be allowed in the school. People should be allowed to worship Allah, and they should open the doorway to have people worship any religion.
Well, there's only one God, but a lot of people don't realize
have
that.
Scientology in the schools. I mean, just have it all. Have the Satan worshippers. It's unfucking fair that only one religion should be allowed in the schools. And if you got to have fucking prayer in the school, you got to let them. If you let one in, you got to let them all in, including the Church of David Carradine.
Oh.
By the way, they don't want the Jews in the schools either. They only want Christians in the schools.
Yeah.
The Christian prayer.
Yeah.
So that's why I hate prayer in the schools.
That, I think, is very hypocritical, because you know what Jesus was?
A communist.
A Jew.
And a communist. He was a communist. He said, if someone shits on you, turn the other cheek.
Yeah, so that they shit on the other cheek also.
He said that give the poor person the shirt off your back. That's what Jesus preached.
Yeah,
Republicans don't feel that way.
Yeah, but if I did that, my tits would show in public, and that's not allowed. The Republicans would have a problem with that.
Oh, here's a thing that pisses me off about Mr. Bill.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think he'll watch my videos.
Oh, okay.
He said that no one should be allowed to criticize Donald Trump. He's our president, and we should respect him.
I don't respect him.
You should be allowed to criticize any president if you disagree with his or her
politics.
Yes.
Yeah. You're allowed to feel the way you feel. Oh,
that's what elections are about.
It's now 6.
Mr. Bill said that that school. He once again said he spoke out against the bullying, which is a good thing. But he says it's because God was taken out of the schools. That's why there's school shootings. Well, God doesn't belong in the fucking schools, or because there's thousands of different interpretations of God,
There's
and only one is
God.
There's only one. They want the most fascist, authoritarian interpretation of God allowed. And also, here's another thing that Mr. Bill said. He said that so there's school shootings because of abortion.
Oh, come on.
How does that even make sense?
It doesn't.
Because we don't respect life. We murder babies in the womb. That's why there's school shootings.
That makes no sense. Oh, honey, keep an eye on my turn.
I know. This is not it.
Yeah.
I know we're going west. You know how I know that?
Because you see the sun.
Yeah.
I know a person who wouldn't know that. Yeah. He doesn't even know that the sun... He doesn't even know that the sun is in the south at noon.
Oh, my God. Tell me you're joking, please.
I'm not joking.
Oh.
Yeah, since we're north of the equator, yes, the sun is in the south.
That would
If we
make
were
sense.
south in the southern hemisphere,
It would be...
it would be to the north of us.
Yeah.
Either way, it is never truly directly above us.
No.
If you're in Key West, it's almost directly over you during the summer solstice. Not just a teeny little bit, not quite, but it's where the sun is almost, because that's where the sun is. Because Key West is about 8 degrees north of the equator. I can't believe about this person. He thinks it's fun. He actually kind of thinks it's funny that he's lost and ignorant on anything with computers.
I don't think ignorance is funny. It's nothing to be proud of.
I mean, there's some things I'm ignorant on. I don't give a fuck. But
I'm not proud of it. It just is.
It's as John Vernon said as the dean in Animal House.
Oh yeah,
Fat,
fat
drunk, and stupid
is no way to go through life, son.
Fat, dumb, and stupid.
Drunk and stupid.
Oh, I didn't tell you this about my ILS worker. Oh, the other one, I think fuck is the one who fucking broke into the car. It was actually the YouTube video. It was on the Bolingbrook videos, actually. He likes my spoken words, but see, he's a person who seems like he flipped and changed his personality or something.
Yeah.
He appeared to be really cool when I first met him.
But then he started showing some of his true colors.
Yeah, when I talked about, it was the part where I said I have less pubic hair than I used to.
Yeah.
His response was TMI.
Oh, God.
Well, he may be right about that.
Why?
Is this my turn?
Why?
No, not yet.
Why would he be right about that?
I mean, some people don't need to hear everything about everything.
Well, that's tough fucking shit. They'll hear it anyway.
He doesn't have to listen, put it that way.
It's people like that that have made me militant. Well, it's the way my parents treated me, as we discussed quite a bit, that made me turn militant. My parents thought that treating me like shit was going to cause me to turn into a conformist.
That's never going to happen.
Instead, it turned me to being mean, defiant, and militant. Do you think I'm mean, defiant? Or I try not to be mean to everyone.
Well, to people who deserve it.
Do you think I'm mean, defiant, and militant?
Oh, absolutely. And you shoot from the hip.
How close are we to there?
We're getting very close. I think it's between 5 and 10 minutes from here.
Well, in this case, I'm just going to stop this and make a part
Yeah.
X of the video.